fuel stop in McDermott, Nevada. Be nowhere. Oh, it's frozen? Nice. Frozen.
Don't wash your window.
All right, get in the truck.
I was going to wash your window, but
Holy shit.
It's on aluminum. Oh, you go get in the truck. We'll leave it.
I'm getting in the truck.
Get in the truck right now.
Yes, sir. What? Why in such a hurry? You break their toilet? I think you took a shit, broke the toilet. Pops is road tripping like a king. Pizza, Pepsi, chips and dip.
They got the course.
Well, the phone rang. I was pointing out Pops is road tripping in style. What did you say, Tyler?
He doesn't have the course banquet.
No, he doesn't have the Coors Banquet. You vape, bro?
I'm in, bro.
Okay? With that being said, that's it. You're done. Go to bed.
They's going fishing in the Winnemucca.
Now, you know when you get smacked when you're a kid, you get hyped. When you get by yourself, you gonna smack me, bitch?
In the mud.
The stop sign. Turn right on.
Now we're styling. We got the race
We
on.
almost guaranteed him in the championship for an accident early in this race. He's only 8 points above the cut line right now. Possibility. I'm so sorry. So, as if you thought Clint was not distracted already whenever we talked to him, he is still watching the Chiefs play.
At the light, turn
Valerie.
left onto South Taylor Street.
So